Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna do a video about how to make animated banners, which are mostly used for web designs or websites. And this is what we are gonna make today. Okay, so this is my website and I have designed this banner, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to make that banner. Okay, so if you guys are someone new to our channel, consider subscribing to our channel, because if you're looking or if you're wanting to learn various designing software, and that's what we do over here. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, and without further ado, let's get started. So currently I'm on my website. Okay, this is the link which I have linked in the description down below, because it is important, because I have posted all the sizes of the banners. So these are all the standardized banners which go on a lot of affiliate websites, or if you want to design your personal banner, you can do that. These are the sizes, and all these sizes are in pixels. And if you guys are stuck anywhere and you want to know if you want to design a leaderboard banner, then this is the size you are looking for. Okay, and these are some non-standard banner size. This right here I have linked the PSD file which I have done for this particular banner, and you can use it and change the text to whatever you want, and even change the button, and then you can use it for your own project. So make sure you download here. It's free to use and you can use it, but again, as I said, this is just a 300 by 250 pixel banner. Now these banners are mostly used for affiliate websites only. If you can see right here, Amazon, I have an affiliate banner right here, that's for Amazon Prime. So this is a static banner, but I'm gonna teach you how to design an animated banner. This banner right here is from Google Ads or Ad Choice, and you cannot upload your own custom banner right here, because they use their own banners and it keeps on changing. And I have inserted, it's not visible right here, but if I open another page, then you can see that these are the ads from Google. So their banners are pre-designed and it keeps on changing, but you can also put static banner or animated banner wherever you want. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. It's gonna be a long video, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna make another web banner. Now you're gonna make it 300 by 250 pixels. You can change the resolution to whatever you want. For this, we'll put 150 and we'll hit OK. So it's a fairly small banner. Okay, so you unlock this layer. I usually like to add border to the banner, so I'm gonna use the stroke right here, and we'll do an inner stroke, and I kept the size of 2 pixel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you in real time how it's gonna look. So here's why I put a border, and it's always nice to put a border, so no matter what background you put on, the border is gonna separate the banner from what you from the website. Okay, so that's my background. I'm gonna also change the color. You can put whatever color you want, but in this case we are gonna put something fairly light, just around here. I'm just trying to mimic the banner which I made over there. Okay, now for the button, I'm gonna use another tutorial which I did already, and I'm gonna use the button from there. Okay, so this is not this one. Yeah, we'll use this one. So I'm gonna open the PSD file of this button, and I am gonna copy this button and just use it on my current design. So as soon as I drag and drop, it's gonna pop up. You just hit OK, because the resolution of this and the other is different, because this is just 300. And if you guys are just wondering where to get this button for free, I'm gonna show you guys. It's right here. Okay, and I'll be linking this in the description down below, and you can get this PSD file from my website for free right over here. Okay, so I hope that that's helpful. Okay, and it saves a lot of time. Now I'm gonna resize the button, because I don't want a big button right here. just make it about this size. Okay, now if you want to change the text, you can change the text because it's a button, and I have the original file, and we'll just write down get little caps. We'll write down all in caps, get quote. Okay, you can put whatever text you want, and we'll just center that. Now to animate this button, which will be coming back later on, you want to merge the group. Okay, we are not doing it now because we might change it, but you definitely want to merge the group before animating. Okay, so now we're just gonna add a couple of texts. I'm gonna write down my website's link. I'm gonna hit the caps off, blog. Okay, so that's my website, and I'm gonna change the font size to 14. It's quite big, maybe to 11. That's not sufficient too. Maybe to 9, and just so that it fits, I'm gonna change from bold to regular so that it fits there. Yeah, looks pretty good. We can capitalize that too. So these are more of click-through rate buttons where you have more potential that the viewer or your customer will be clicking onto your banner because they are animated. You got a nice button right there which you can change the color to. I have done already a video, make sure you check that video out. Now I'm gonna add a custom shape. Now just so you guys know, this is a basic banner. You can make your own banner, insert image, and do a lot of animation. Okay, and put your custom text as well, or just use this one and change the text as you want. Okay, now if you go right here, you get all the shapes. You go in the custom shape tool and select this tick mark. Okay, you can pretty much make your own shape. I have made one of mine too, which I use it on my other designs, but for now we'll be just keeping a custom shape right here. I will rasterize this layer and check one. I like to organize. I'm gonna rename it, and I'll apply color overlay, and I'm gonna make it a bit of a darker background so it looks pretty nice and decent. Okay, now I'm gonna put another text over here. You can put whatever you want. I'm gonna change the size as well because I want it slightly bigger. Yeah, that looks pretty good, and I'm gonna center it right about there, and I'm just gonna make 2 copies. You can drag and drop right here, or you can just hit Control J. Alright, J is in jungle. I'm gonna drag it down, right, and now I'm gonna change this text to websites. Okay, you can put again whatever you want, Command J or Control J, so it creates another copy. I'm gonna drag that copy down. Now in the original PSD file, you'll find 4 text just like it's right here, but I'm gonna use only 2 to save time, otherwise the video is gonna be too long. Alright, so info graphics. Alright, there you go. So our banner is pretty much ready. Again, as I said, you can add your custom text and image and whatever you want, but our image is ready. Now I'm gonna finalize this and merge the group for animation. Alright, now you want to go into the windows and find for the option timeline. Once you hit timeline, this is gonna pop up. And then you want to create a video timeline over here, and what it's gonna do is import all this layer into the time frame. Okay, now again, as I said, you can customize the banner in a way you want, but here for this video I'm gonna use 10 frame interval for all the animation. Okay, so the first thing I want to appear, let's have a close look. The first thing I want to appear is the link, then the first text, second text, third text, and the fourth text. Okay, sorry, the page wasn't loaded, but yeah, all this text, and I want to constantly blink this button. Alright, so starting with this, then this, then this, and the button will constantly animate throughout. Alright, Okay, so as I showed you, first I want to turn up the link. So here you go. If you aren't able to find here, then you just click here and it's automatically gonna pick this link up. Now in here I want opacity. So right from the start I'll turn down the opacity because that's what I want, from 0 opacity to 100%. So right on the 10th frame I'm gonna select and put 100. Alright, so here's how it works. It goes from 0 to 100. Okay, now we'll go up the check mark one. So in the check mark or the shape one, I will use maybe not opacity, position. So on the 10th frame, it's not exactly on the 10th frame. Alright, so I'll delete the keyframe, and in here I'll keep the position. Now you also want to make sure you hit shift button and drag it out so it stays in line. If you don't hit shift, it's gonna move around in space. Alright, so 10 frame later I want that tick mark to come right here, and we'll just center right here. So that's done. Now what I want is, after the tick mark comes in, I want my banner or text to pop up. So I'm gonna go in the opacity right here on the 10th frame and I'm turning it down to 0. I hope this all makes sense, and 10 frame later I will turn it up to 100. Alright, now quickly I'm gonna repeat the whole process to all the other options, so you can just stay tuned. 10 frame later, and then bring it back, and then we'll go to the website text. Here we'll turn down the opacity to 0, and 10 frame later we'll turn the opacity to 100, and that's done. We'll go to the check mark number 3, position here, we'll move it out, and then 10 frame later we're gonna bring it in right here, and then right on that dot we'll turn the opacity down for the infographics to 0, and 10 frame later we'll turn it to 100. Alright, so that's done. We have completed our animation. Now again, you don't want your timeline to go forever. We want to make it a loop video, so I'm gonna cut short the timeline to just right here. Alright, okay, so now the last part is the button. Alright, so right here you can see everything is gone because everything is hidden. Now we'll go to the button layer. I'll just minimize this so you can kind of have a look to what I'm doing right here. Now here's what I want to do with the button. I want the button to flicker. Okay, so right from the start I'll turn the opacity to 100. Maybe 10 frame later I'll turn the opacity to 50, and then again 10 frame later I'll turn the opacity to 100. Now it's gonna automatically add the keyframe, alright, to no matter what you do. If you change the position, if you change the opacity or whatever, it's gonna add the keyframe, right? And now I'm gonna do 100. On the top you can see how our animation is taking into effect. Over here I'll put 50 because I want the button to just glow or flicker or pop up, and then the last one I will make it 0. Alright, so our banner is ready. You just want to make sure about the last thing right here. You want to keep the loop playback on, and we'll just, before exporting, we'll just do a quick play, and you can see the banner is just perfect. Again, you can do whatever you want. You can add a lot of text or graphics, whatever you want. Now finally we're gonna export this to GIF. Again, I did another video about the exporting over here, but I'm gonna make it really quick. You want to make sure that it's forever in the looping options right here, and then rest you just want to leave it as it is. I'm putting high colors because I want my banner to look awesome. Now I'll just do a quick play, and that looks awesome, just as what I want. Alright, so I'm gonna save this file to web banner new because I did one already, and I'm gonna hit save, and our file is ready. I'm just gonna show you guys the new banner which I made, and that's it. So this is how it looks. It's a GIF or GIF image, and you can pretty much use it anywhere for any affiliate website. And this is how it's gonna look on the website. Make sure you visit my website because there are important information, and you can download that PSD file right here, and you can change everything and just use it for your own purpose. Okay, so I really hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because there are more videos coming up, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. You have a good one.